Welcome back, everyone. Now we are looking at biofarmcatalyst.com. This is for an FDA approvals calendar. So we can come through and see everything, the stock price, what phase it's in. I'll look for things in phase 2 and phase 3. Anthrax? Anthrax? I don't know. Parkinson's disease, chronic kidney disease. Okay. Alright, so, say checking here. Let's see what their weekly watch list says. Or we can just go back to the calendar. Okay. And it looks like they have an IPO calendar. Interesting. I like it. Very good. So we can come in and see what's about to come available to the market. Historical catalyst calendar. Let's see. Approved. Okay. So looking for things in stage 2 and 3 that are about to be approved. They might be ones to look at. Okay. And we've got FDAtracker.com, which you can just pull up looks like a Google Calendar. It's exactly what it is. Okay. And flip through, see if we see anything. Eton. KDNM. Okay. Big bunch on that day. All right. Two good places we can get information from. I woke up not feeling too good. I had to start taking medicine, drinking tea. Oh, the weather. Let's hope so. Alright. And weakness is a strong trend. Seems to be what we're looking at here. We've got the TEMA pulled up as well. And on the bottom, we have our Williams percent R and our true range specified volume. Okay. Let's zoom out here. think we're looking for another curve over and down. So I would look for a buy-in around the $600 level. And if I wanted to, say confirm that, come into your studies and type profile. And you can use your volume profile. Or your TPO profile. And we look where there are gaps or big parts of support and resistance, where all the big buyers were and the sellers and the bag holders. Okay. And we can take this to a 4-hour setup. We see we're still overextended and heading for the low, so it looks like we might get a gap fill at 529, and then after that 471, and then after that 414, then after that 353.67 or 343.54. So I've been tracking this all the way down. And of course, had you been subscribed to the channel and whatnot, you would have known about it. Yeah, we can see these, the bigger picture by looking out on a larger time frame and not getting caught up on a 5-minute or a 15-minute time frame. And it's only natural that what's happening is happening. I wonder why Viacom and Discovery Channel and stuff like that's losing money right now. Okay, so back to our charts. Now, let's check out a watch list here. And not our daily runners, although that is a good one to always be watching out for. You can use your public watch list. And let's see what we can find. Analyst upgrades, analyst downgrades, post-market movers, pre-market movers. And, we'll wait for the market to go live to show those working in real time, but we can make, let's just say, this pre-market, mover study or scan. We can intersect that with, say, our runner scan or our YouTube example daily or weekly scan, and see which ones are, on the same list. Now, of course, we can link the lists to different things and okay. Now, I did see they were doing some updating, so maybe that's what our delay is about here. ETFs, 24-hour trading. Okay. Now, these are things we can trade 24 hours a day. What's this? Which is the XTO eligible. Okay. GLD. Very nice. If we can get up past that, I mean, it's got heavy weight above it holding it down, but if we can get up past that, so what is it, 164.94? If you can get it up past 189, it could go for one heck of a run. But it looks like we're crossing over to another bearish period, so let's look to pick this up for an even better deal. Looks like it might even be heading for this gap area here. Yeah, the 150-ish. Maybe even 144. It's possible. But see, on the weekly, it just went bearish. So it's going to have to recover, come back up. Triple Q. Wow, that's almost like identical to the, pentagram. Almost identical chart pattern. Like, make it kind of obvious there, guys. Isn't the stock market a funny place? Let's see. I mean, that was our last signal here, was an up signal, but we're using weakness as a strong trend. Okay, that's our signal. Now, if we wanted to use this as a, say strategy, just to see how well it did. Arrow up, arrow down. Okay. Come over here and copy and paste all this. And get your orders. And see how well it does. Okay, weakness is a strong trend. Alright, so buy it, sell to open. Okay. Sell to close. Oh. Hopefully that's profit. And buy to close. Cover profit. All right. Now, let's see. long signal, plot, long signal, short signal. Alright, buy to open. And sell to close. Okay. Looks like on the weekly it does okay. Looks like it does pretty good on the daily too. The 4 hour, not so much. Let's see, sell to open. And that should do it. Alright. Now let's go in here and buy it, short it, profit, cover profit. Okay, and we have our different orders. Okay, so we can disable short and disable cover profit. Hit OK, hit apply. Looks like some of that bad P&L went away. Very good. Let's put this over to a Renko bar. See how it does on triple Q. Looks like it does have some winning moves, has some losing moves. That's typical. Looks like it does give you some good buy-ins. Good profit. Okay. But when the market starts going against you, you need to switch over to your bearish strategy. Okay. Which is why we did 4 orders. Okay. Now, we can even change the tick range, but I don't think that's going to do it here. I don't think weakness as a strong trend was meant, because I can see what it's looking for. It's looking for 4 up, 3 up, 4 down, 3 down, things like that. So that's very similar to a consecutive bars strategy. Okay, less of a loss. Now it's in a bearish strategy. Not the best one we've done, but I'm sure we can do better. Well, for weakness as a strong trend, it does have some ability with swing trading, but anything deeper than 4 hours and it becomes unreliable. And that's just what I've seen. But yeah, this looks like it's about, yeah, or that it is being way overbought now. Yep. So we'll cut it off there. We'll catch you in the next video.